Thank you so much for joining me. I put together some really beautiful desert sunsets and landscapes here. We're going to walk amongst the new blooms and find some creature holes. Very pretty too close to the campsite really, but where I've stopped. But we'll see what happens. Okay, now we're gonna see if I can show you some of the more little. There's a lot of, well, that one looks like an old one. A lot of little burrows here, but they're kind of wet, which is interesting. I'm not gonna go under the bushes or whatever, but see, like that. Yeah, that looks. What's the word? Come on, what is the word I'm looking for? Try not to step on any flowers or around any holes. I don't want to wake anybody up so that they come visit me tonight. Okay, you are, look at, they're all over, like you were knocking. But ultimately, oh, I just spilled my drink. Getting too distracted. Getting too distracted. What do you guys think? Am I too close? Think he might come and knocking? I'm way over there. I'm way over there. I don't know how far things come, but that's interesting. I hope that's. Oh, look at him! Look at him! Wonder how close I can get before he takes off. He's sunbathing. I don't want to bother him. Hey, little dude. I wonder if these are the ones with the blue bellies. I'll pull back so it's not so shaky. Little dude. I do hear gunfire. Somebody must have a range out here. Watch him jump on my face. Hi. I'm just saying hi. I'm not going to get too close. I can promise you. Okay. Lots of little burrows over here. So I'm just trying to be careful. Look at the patches that I found. Right here and then over here. And some patches of some really beautiful wildflowers. But there's burrows, like whatever you want to call them. And I'm trying to not wake up any, because I guess it's that season. Wake up any baby rattlesnakes or anything. Look at all the beautiful desert flowers. So pretty. But yeah, I was over there and I'm like looking in the distance and I'm like, oh, there's a patch of beautiful, almost mauve purple I need to go check out. It's really pretty. So some of them at this location look like they're done blooming, and then other ones look like they're still going. And I did find this one here, and this one looks like it's still going, like it has lots to bloom left. And there's some more of them coming up there. There are these little happy flies out here. And these beautiful big bushes. It smells so good. So I found a really beautiful place that's just surrounded by, especially in behind, some beautiful, beautiful mountains. And I think I got here early enough to either do another live show, see if anybody wants to pick up some art, and for sure going to, I think, and it's a beautiful temperature as well, I think I'm going to get some painting in. I'm going to run around first and look for some more wildflowers for us, see if we've got some blooming going on over here too. Look at that. It was a dusty road. People going by out in the desert. I really enjoyed this trip. I took a few different routes, so please check out my other videos. I have a surprise stop that even surprised me. I found the biosphere too by accident, and so we go visit that. So please see my other videos. And yeah, I just absolutely love the Arizona landscape. Especially I know right now during springtime we get the benefit of the flowers and some wildlife waking up, yet ultimately it's just so textured here. It has just such amazing landscapes. I'll definitely probably have to take some photos too and maybe incorporate them. It's like, about 2:40 in the morning. Can't sleep. I woke up. because I'm on the majority meat diet, yeah, I've been waking up with those cramps again, the leg cramps, especially in the legs, but found a place to sleep, but it's kind of noisy right here. I think I'm going to try to get a little bit more sleep. And then we're